make sure to hit subscribe and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a last minute Diwali get ready with me. As you know, I live in Singapore and I'm trying to catch some Diwali feel. So this is step one. I'll just start talking about the makeup because this is like a talking get ready with me, and then because I don't want to waste your time. So first off, I've done my skincare already. You can watch my skincare routine video for that, and then I'm gonna get into my primer, which is an Oriflame primer. There's not going to be a lot of makeup involved. For starters, there's zero foundation in this video. So I use the Oriflame pore minimizing primer. I thought this is the primer that I thought I wanted to buy. It's not, but this one is also not bad. It's good enough. It's like the Color Bar primer. So I'm gonna do that. I'm only applying it under my eyes, around the mouth and on the cheeks because that is where my makeup is gonna be. Addressing the elephant in the room, I'll cut off like 10 inches of my hair. So you can watch that in the video that I uploaded yesterday. Yes, I just uploaded a video yesterday and I'm uploading another one. I mean, if Selena Gomez can drop 2 songs in like a week back to back, I think I can drop 2 videos back to back as well. I am using the viewfinder of the camera as my mirror for now, so I'm looking over there. Sorry about that. But what do we think of the new hair? I have been loving it. I just washed it yesterday for the first time and I was like, this is so easy. Concealer. I have not used foundation in like a month or 2 and I love it. I've been working on my skin a lot. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I think I'm super boring at this point. The shade that I am is called Pure Beige. I already have a backup of this. Okay. So, as you know, I'm in Singapore, so I live in Singapore, and that too I don't really live here because I'm out on layovers a lot. So getting the Diwali feel is like a little bit not possible because I'm like, what is it even? Because the world is celebrating Halloween and autumn festivities right now, and I'm like, can I catch some Diwali feel? So that's what we're trying to do. I'm gonna go to Little India today. You can watch the vlog of it on my other channel. In case you did not know, I do have a vlog channel where I show a more personal side of my life. If I'm not uploading here, maybe I did drop 2 uploads there. So make sure to subscribe to that because I see not a lot of you know about it. Also my Instagram, I have been pretty active and I've been enjoying the process of Instagram lately. I upload IGTV videos there. I just made series. So there's a travel series happening of travels which are like, the clips are not long enough to make into a vlog, so I put that there. And then I've been doing book reviews there because I don't know if you all want to watch it here, so I do bite-sized book reviews on Instagram. So I've been enjoying it a lot. Whoa, my earring just fell off. I'm gonna take my Rimmel translucent powder and this kabuki brush. I got this from Germany, DM, the little drugstore there. And then I'm just barely taking any powder. We don't want any cake because it's a natural look. I mean, honestly guys, in reality, I'm gonna put it in my T-zone also because it tends to get more oily. But honestly, do you really put on Instagram makeup in daily life? I've realistically, like, when did I need it? Unless I was just feeling like I want to wear Instagram makeup on like my flight or something. But realistically, when you look at your skin, you're like, I need the makeup. You only wear that much makeup in like weddings and stuff, man. We don't need that kind of stuff. But you know what? That is what works on the internet, I've noticed. So what can you do? Eye makeup. Okay guys, Indian, you cannot go wrong with a gold when it comes to Indian. You do a dark gold which has some browns in it. You do a light gold. You just cannot go wrong with gold because our Indian clothes have gold in them. My brother is secretly trying to go in the bathroom, so I'm just looking at him trying to make those efforts. Anyways, I have this Elizabeth Arden palette that I recently got. I got an eyeshadow palette and a blush palette which I'll be using today. This is a gift from my uncle, so thanks to him. I didn't buy it. Oh, there's something black. Okay, we take that off. And I'm gonna take this gold over here. Let's see what it looks like. I've never even swatched these colors yet. I'm gonna use my ring finger because that has the least amount of pressure. Okay, it looked crazy, but it's not. So I'm just gonna apply that in the middle of my eye. Ooh, look at that. Hey, I could even use my Fenty Beauty highlighter. So if you have a highlighter, you can use that. And are you noticing that I didn't even use any brushes? Because you don't. I've just become more simpler when it comes to makeup now. I'm also gonna put some of it in the like tear duct area, because it's going to brighten up and the colors are going to be cohesive. I mean, unless you enjoy doing makeup, you want to do it like that, because I do enjoy doing makeup. So I do have my 4 eyeshadow days. I am going to use my eyeshadow brush, dip into this dark brown here, like very ever so lightly, and then I'm going to put this in the outer corner. There we go. So this gives a little bit of definition to the eye and the eyeshadow, and it doesn't look that flat. Do you see? You see the difference? This looks just flat. Okay, there's some depth. So that's what I'm trying to create. Not too much though, so I'm just gonna try to keep it light, because I am honestly going in the day. We're going in the late afternoon slash early evening to see the lights and stuff, so I don't want it to be like, wow, why does she have a smoky eye in the day, you know? Then wow, this was not recording. Anyways, I took the same dark brown, put it on my lower lid. I'm gonna take a little bit of that gold and put it in front also, so that literally we're mimicking whatever was on top lid in the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna take the brown again, do the same thing. Now can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? This eye has more definition than this one. See, this looks just very flat. This has like a 3D dimension to it. I hope that makes sense, and it doesn't seem like, what is she showing us? Nothing is showing us. Just to give a little bit of definition to my eyes, I'm going to use my Color Bar eye pencil in green, and I'm going to do a touch of it over here, okay? So that there's like some definition happening, and it doesn't look like, I hope I can edit this video to be short, because I don't want this to be forever long. So this green is like an olive sparkly green, so it's gonna add to the Diwali-ness of it. I badly need to buy another eyelash color. This has been with me from the beginning makeup days, so it's pretty unhygienic. I have cleaned it, but hey, I'm using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Let me just say, it's nothing great. The simple Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara is much better than this, so save your coin. Don't do what every American YouTuber does. So this is the complete eye. I've not done a makeup tutorial in a long time, so I'm like kind of a noob at this point. So for blush, this is the Elizabeth Arden blush palette. Again, my uncle got it. Light pink, dark pink, and a brown. I've not used this brown. This, however, I've used. Sometimes I mix both of these. Today, I feel like I want a bronzy effect, so I'm going to mix the dark pink and the bronzy color. It is a bronzer, I guess, but hey. Putting the dark pink. Can you see it's like the very slightest pink glow, and in reality, it looks like so natural and beautiful. I just love it. There we go, that looks nice. The light pink barely shows up on my skin tone, so that's why I have to mix it with dark pink. But today I am going just with the dark pink. I like the look of very obvious blush, so I always have to layer up like tons of it, but it's okay. So I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the color Precious Petals. I did say that this is not good with makeup because it makes your skin texture show, but when you don't have foundation like today for me, it's amazing. It works really well on naked skin. I like to put it on top of my lip because it just makes the upper lip pop. Oh, I forgot about eyebrows. There we go. Ding! I don't do a lot for my eyebrows, but I just brush them because otherwise my mom scolds me so bad. What? She's like, you've got such nice brows, why don't you just brush them out a little bit? I like to make the arch a little archy because ever since I've started to grow old, I realized I'm losing my eyebrow hair, guys. As you can see, now it's more defined. Here we go. Okay, done. So we are done with the makeup. For lip, this is my new favorite combo. I'm gonna go with the Kylie lip liner in Rosy. So you see, that's like a very natural finish of pink, but the pink is still like there. So what I'm going to use is the Kylie lip gloss in the color Snatched. It's like a nice pink, looks like the same color but it's slightly lighter, and I love the look of gloss, and this just lightens up any color. So and that's it. Bhaskar, can you just not let your leg be in the frame? That looks so ugly. And that's it. The makeup look is complete. I am super happy with it. It literally took such less efforts. And decide for yourself if you like it or no. What do we think about the new hair? Let me know. But this is my makeup look. I am excited. This did not. Okay, my brother was waiting for me. Do you think this took longer than usual or was this shorter than usual?
Shorter than usual.
Okay, approved. So this is the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a safe Diwali. Please show me what Diwali is like at your place because I would really like to catch some Diwali feels. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye till then.